Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Japan rebuilt after WW2. Start by viewing the broad steps that shaped recovery and reform. First, Allied occupation reshaped politics and disbanded militarist institutions to prevent remilitarization. Second, land reform and new labor laws redistributed power and supported a wage-based economy. Third, industrial policy, education improvements, and international trade integration sparked rapid growth and modernized infrastructure. Japan used focused economic tools to rebuild industry and productivity in a cooperative way. The government and private sector coordinated through banks and industrial policy to channel credit where it mattered most. Land and labor reforms increased domestic demand and social stability. Stable fiscal and monetary choices encouraged savings and investment, while emphasis on exports and quality manufacturing connected Japan to global markets and created sustained growth. Post-war Japan rebuilt its society by investing in people and institutions in a compassionate, practical manner. Universal education and vocational training created a highly skilled workforce ready for new industries. Labor reforms and social safety measures reduced unrest and supported consumption. Democratic institutions, transparent legal codes, and electoral reform built public trust and allowed peaceful political change, which reinforced stability and encouraged long-term investment across society.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.